Greetings everyone, welcome back to Study Affairs. So today's video will be the second video from Daily Current Affairs series. So today's first news is MIEL veteran RK Jain to be appointed as Adani Group CEO. So in this news, it's there that Adani Group, which is India's biggest private aviation player in terms of having the maximum number of airports, has finalized its core team for its sector. RK Jain, who has been Mumbai International Airport Limited CEO since its inception, will be now Adani Group CEO. So, the headquarters of AAHL, who wholly owned by the Adani Enterprises, being relocated from Mumbai to group base Ahmedabad to foster collaborative working and agile decision making, which is of paramount importance at this stage of its journey. So the next news that we have is India's Payal Kapadia wins Best Documentary Award in Cannes. So India's director and filmmaker Payal Kapadia, A Night of Knowing Nothing, won the Golden Eye Award for Best Documentary at the 74th Cannes Film Festival on Saturday. The Mumbai-based filmmaker's first feature bagged the prestigious prize in a formidable field made up of 28 documentaries presented across various sections of the festival. A Night of Knowing Nothing screened as part of the Director's Fortnight, a section that runs parallel to the festival. So the next news that we have is about PCA Act, which is trending on Twitter nowadays, and it's all about the prevention of cruelty to animals. 9,000 tweets were addressed to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and demanded stronger penalties for animal cruelty. In Feb this year, the Union Ministry of Fishery, Animal Husbandry and Dairying proposed some amendments to 60-year-old law. Even though the proposal was introduced, no action was taken during the session of legislature. Therefore, in order to push the passage of these amendments, animal activists are mobilizing just before another session of parliament starts. The Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act dates back at its commencement from the year 1974. The commencement means that it acted on, it was applied on this in this year, and it was made on this year. The law stipulates punishment and a fine for a multitude of animal cruelty, which animal is mere with the highest fine for first time only 50 rupees. In effort to condemn heinous cruelty to animals, hashtag no more 50 seeks the amendment of this among the other provisions. So the next news that we have is vaccine chaos at SMC centers goes on. So the chaos that several women came down heavily on authorities concerned at COVID vaccination centers, which was inaugurated by former Tourism Minister Gautam Dev recently in Kanchenjunga Stadium, after they came to know that another group of people would be vaccinated and not them. Several mothers of children up to the age of 12 had gathered at the center since dawn today, but after waiting for a long time, they had to return without being given the shots. Not only at the Kanchenjunga Stadium, vaccine seekers have expressed their unhappiness over non-availability of shots at various other vaccination centers in Silgiri organized by the Silgiri Municipal Corporation over the past few days. So the next news that we have is GMB arrests Linkman Rahul handled 22 bank accounts. The alleged Linkman Rahul Kumar, alias Rahul Sen of GMB, who was amongst the four arrested from Barasat recently by the Special Task Force of Kolkata Police, was learned to have handed over 22 accounts from where the alleged funding of the members of the outfit had been conducted, claimed an officer. So that's all, guys, for today. Stay tuned to us for more daily current affairs. Thanks for watching.